Hello, I'm Linda Boudreau, Chair of the Building Committee and Board Member of the Ecology School. I'm here today to take you on a tour of the construction project here at Riverbend Farm and to show you the many exciting features of this project. So here we are on the south lawn in front of the Commons building. Today you'll see workers on the roof installing 200 solar panels that will join with the 518 solar panels in the field just in front of me to produce 105% of the energy needed to power up Riverbend Farm. Also today, I'd like to point out to you that the dining commons will in fact be sided with white pine clapboards, forest stewardship certified, and produced by Hancock Lumber. This siding will in fact match our dormitory siding and is quite beautiful in the landscape here at Riverbend Farm. The crew has also started the process of insulating the walls of the commons in a fashion similar to the dormitory. Blown cellulose insulation, which comes from trees, is forced behind a membrane to create a dense barrier that helps retain desired temperatures within the common. Right now I'm standing outside the south wing of the dormitory, and I'd like to invite you to come inside so we can take a look at some of the work that's been completed. So here we are in the Norma Harrison wing of the dorm, and what I'd like to show you is the colorful paint that will be applied to one wall in each of the wings of the dormitories. The acoustical tiles are being installed in the ceilings of these hallways and rooms, and the doors are also being hung, making this environment seem quite a bit cozier than it had in original construction. Today's very special for me here touring Riverbend Farm. It's providing me the opportunity to experience what children who have spent the day here will feel when they return to these rooms in the evening. The scenery outside this window is breathtaking, and the opportunity to remember a day spent in this environment is just truly remarkable insight into the future at Riverbend Farm. So here behind me is the 28,500 gallon tank being constructed for water storage here at Riverbend Farm. 20,000 gallons of water from this tank will be used for fire suppression, and an additional 8,500 gallons will be used for domestic water throughout the facility here at Riverbend Farm. Off to my right, a red shed that was brought here from New Hampshire in compliance with Living Building Challenge will be used to house the pump system necessary for this water storage equipment. Thank you for joining me at Riverbend Farm today to follow the progress of construction that's taking place. Over the next few weeks, we will continue to update you on social media as we finish this project. Please join us in subscribing to our YouTube channel. We would also like to take the opportunity today to thank the friends, family, and supporters of the Ecology School for their contributions to the campaign. A special shout out to John Painter, Martha Taylor, and the friends and family of Joe and Joanne Alex. If you'd like to help us finalize our campaign and fundraising, please contribute to the final fundraising goal of $750,000. Once again, my name is Linda Boudreau. I'm chair of the construction committee and board secretary for the Ecology School. I thank you for joining us here today and hope to see you in the future at Riverbend Farm.